Hey, little nigga. Hey, little nigga. Hey, you like candy? I had candy in my truck. You want some candy? You want some candy, bro?
Depends what candy it is.
Oh. I can take you to my truck, bro. Come on, bro. Come on, bro. What type of candy is that? I got lollipops and ring pops, bro.
Oh, no.
Nah, I got some more. I got some chocolate, bro.
Okay, let's do it.
Excuse me? Excuse me?
What do you want?
Excuse me? Alright, we're going on YouTube, man. We back with another video. We finally picked up the camera again, man. It's been about like 10 days since I dropped, bro. And today's, I'm not gonna even explain the video today. Y'all just gonna see the video today. We back recording video and YouTubing. The GOAT finally picked back up the camera, bro. The GOAT of
me?
No.
Oh.
The GOAT of trolling, bro, has finally picked up the camera, bro. I think about giving me an Apple Watch for real, though.
Me too. And the iPad.
I want the iPad. I don't know if I still want it,
I
though.
will get one tomorrow. So like, give me one.
Tomorrow? Oh, wow.
I don't know what type of iPad. I think it's a new one. I don't know.
Bro, you hear this guy? He's silly, right?
I didn't hear that.
Hey, little nigga. Hey, little nigga. Hey, you like candy? I had candy in my truck. You want some candy? You want some candy, bro?
Depends what candy it is.
Oh. I can take you to my truck, bro. Come on, bro. Come on, bro. What type of candy is that? I got lollipops and ring pops, bro.
Oh, no.
Nah, I got some more. I got some chocolate, bro. And you get no buns. Ah. Oh, it didn't work, bro. It didn't correlate right anyway. Excuse me? Excuse me?
What do you want, man?
But you should have seen him if you said it. Nigga outside. He thought something. Excuse me?
Yeah. You gotta do it back. Huh? You gotta do it back. It's a game. I'm sorry, I don't know. I'm kind of sick right now. You gotta repeat the sound. It's a game. Yeah? It's a game. I'm sorry.
You're sick?
Yeah.
What do you have? COVID?
No, I just have allergies right now.
Allergies?
Yeah.
Dog disease?
No.
Oh, allergies? Oh, pollen? Oh, yeah.
Sorry.
You good, man. Sick ass nigga. Oh, there goes the main character. What are you doing, bruh? He said it's main character? That's them throwing skills, huh?
Something like that.
Something like that? But ooh, bruh. You see the main character pushing that way. He got that aura, bro. You not even recording it. Bro, what are you doing, bro? Fucking dweeb. Hello, bro.
What's going on, gang? Oh, you there? Wait a minute.
Ah. 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 Why was you so close, bro? I know you sold the fucking clip.
No, I didn't.
Jackass. 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 Jackass.
Bro, you made me Caroline, bro.
Stop, nigga! Help!
Yes.
You gay.
Wait, bro, I didn't know the problem. Oh.
Excuse me. Watch my camera, bro. What the hell are you doing?
Niggas be acting like bad bitches, bro. No one over there.
Nigga, what? How is that a bad bitch game?
What's my hand?
Alright, YouTube, man. We is outside of Target now. If you fuck with the video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe on this channel. If you made it this far, comment down. Oh, comment down Roblox smile. Alright, we got to do man.
Right, I barely got it.
You